Hey everyone, welcome to Chalchitra Talks. मेरा नाम सुमेधा है. This week I want to talk about 3 reasons why I love the band Mogwai. So they are a 5-member band from Glasgow and most often have been categorized as a post-rock band. मुझे भी लगता था कि वो post-rock band है for like core post-rock band है for a long time, but they would more aptly be categorized as an instrumental rock band, and that is also how they describe themselves. The first reason why I love the band is because of their legacy as a rock band. They were formed in 1995 and now have been active for 25 years. It is commendable that the members have been the same. They've been together from the very beginning and they continue to make good music, which is also relevant with the time. And they do that on a very active basis. I think it is not possible that if you're searching in the post-rock genre for more music, or you're just searching in the instrumental rock genre, that you will not come across Mogwai. And even if you don't listen to post-rock, I'm sure that at some point their song title, Take Me Somewhere Nice, would have popped up on your YouTube recommendations. I think this was happening a lot. I remember 3-4 years back, at least with me and my friends, and this particular song used to keep popping up after every different song on like autoplay recommendation. The second reason why I love this band is obviously their song titles. I'm very fascinated by the names that instrumental bands sometimes give to their songs, and Mogwai is definitely a great player at this game. Some Mogwai songs do have vocals, but most oftenly the songs with the amusing titles are instrumental and don't have any vocals in them. Some good examples of the amusing song titles are I Love You, I'm Going to Blow Up Your School. I think this is my top favorite title from Mogwai. Then there's Fridge Music, I Am Not Batman, and I'm Jim Morrison, I'm Dead. There's so many such weird titles. Lastly, the third reason why I love Mogwai is because of their wide range of work. Because of the albums from the initial years, such as Mogwai Young Team, Come On Die Young, Happy Songs for Happy People, the image of Mogwai was cemented as a post-rock band. But over the years, they've experimented a lot and now have a very diverse collection. And I do really like such bands who tend to go beyond their defined sound and succeed in experimenting. Mogwai's music could range from beautiful, sad instrumental music to space rock to core rock music to romantic music and many more styles. Personally, I really prefer their core post-rock albums. There are 2 albums that would be my most favorite ones from Mogwai. The first one is Happy Songs for Happy People. Some of my favorite tracks from this are Killing All the Flies and Boring Machines Disturb Sleep. The second album that I really love and really enjoy listening to as a whole is Rave Tapes. Some of my favorite songs from this album would be Mastercard, Heard About You Last Night, and Hexon Bogon. I would also love to know what are your favorite Mogwai songs, and also what is the craziest song title that you have come across. I'll be writing mine in the comments, and I'll see you soon with another recommendation.